Welcome students of class 10 in the period of mathematics. We are solving similarity. Let us discuss question number 21 in which this figure is given ABC. This AD is median and BE is also median and DF is drawn parallel to BE. I wrote the given information. AD and BE are medians of sides BC and AC respectively. And second information, that is DF is parallel to BE, that also I have written. Question number A, area of triangle CDF by area of triangle CBE. CDF and CBE. In this, D is the midpoint of BC, DF is parallel to BE, this is the midpoint, and this DF is parallel to BE, so this will also be midpoint from midpoint theorem. F is the midpoint of CE. Or we can understand here also, AD is the median on BC, so D is the midpoint of BC. Now, this is the first paragraph. Either you show F is the midpoint of CE, or you write D is the midpoint of BC, that is given in the question. In the second paragraph, I proved these two triangles CDF and CBE, these two triangles are similar. Yes, these two triangles will be similar because DF is parallel to BE. DF is parallel to BE, so triangle CDF is similar to triangle CBE from basic proportionality theorem. After that, I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides of these two triangles CDF and CBE. So CD by CB equal to CF by CE equal to DF by BE equal to 1 by 2. Why will it be 1 by 2? Because this is the midpoint. If this is x, then this is 2x. If CD is x, then CB is 2x. Similarly, if CF is x, CE will be 2x. I have used here F is the midpoint, so CF is x, so CE will be 2x. So CF by CE, that is equal to CD by CB, that is equal to DF by BE equal to x by 2x, x cancelled, 1 by 2. Now I wrote the question that is asked to find area of triangle CDF by area of triangle CBE equal to a square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Ratio of the corresponding sides is 1 by 2. Square of this equal to 1 by 4. Now in question number B, we are asked to find area of triangle AGE by area of trapezium GDFE. AGE and GDFE. So we are saying that trapezium GDFE lies in triangle ADF. So first of all, I proved these two triangles AGE and ADF. These two triangles are similar because BE is parallel to DF or GE is parallel to DF from basic proportionality theorem. Then I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides. AG by AD equal to AE by AF equal to GE by DF equal to x by x plus 1 by 2x. This is x and this is 1 by 2x. Why is it 1 by 2x? This is x and this is also x. AE is x and CE is x because E is the midpoint, and for that we say the reason B is the median on AC. And in question number A, I have proved F is also the midpoint. This one is the midpoint. So EF is 1 by 2x and CF is also 1 by 2x because C is x. Now if I find AF, then AE plus EF. AE is x and EF is 1 by 2x. I added, I got 3 by 2x. So here I am seeing AG by AD equal to AE by AF equal to GE by DF. That will be equal to x by 3 by 2x. X has cancelled. 2 will go up. That will be equal to 2 by 3. Now I found area of triangle AGE by area of triangle ADF. Square of the ratio of the corresponding sides, that is 2 by 3 whole square, that is equal to 4 by 9. To get the area of trapezium GDFE, I have to subtract area of triangle AGE from area of triangle ADF. For that I have written here area of triangle AGE by area of triangle ADF minus area of triangle AGE equal to 4 by, this is 9 minus 4. So in this way we are getting area of triangle AGE by area of trapezium GDFE equal to, that is equal to 4 by 5. This became the answer. In question number 22, this figure of parallelogram PQRS is given, in which RM is perpendicular to PS. This is RM, this is perpendicular to PS, and RN is perpendicular to PQ. Area of parallelogram PQRS is given, that is equal to 60 centimeter square. PQ, this length is also given, that is equal to 7.5 centimeter. And the ratio of MR and NR, this is also given. MR is to NR equal to 3:2. We are asked to find out MR, NR and QR. So first of all I wrote area of triangle PQRS, that we know, base into height. Area of parallelogram PQRS equal to base into height, PQ into NR. This is given 60 centimeter square, so I wrote here 60 centimeter square equal to PQ is 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter into NR is 2x. Because MR and NR, these two are given in the ratio, so we can consider MR be 3x and NR be 2x. So that 2x I am using here at the place of NR. And then I got the value of x, that is equal to 60 by 7.5 into 2. For the omission of this decimal, 10 went up. Then I calculated, I simplified, and I got the value of x equal to 4. Now we can find out MR and NR. Since MR equal to 3x, so 3 into 4 equal to 12 centimeter, and NR is 2x, so 2 into 4 equal to 8 centimeter. The question number C, that is QR. For that I have written area of parallelogram PQRS equal to base into height, PS into MR, 60 centimeter square equal to, this PS is equal to QR because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So I replace this PS by QR, and MR we have got already, that is equal to 12 centimeter. So QR equal to 60 centimeter square will be divided by 12 centimeter and we will get 5 centimeter. So QR equal to 5 centimeter. In question number 25, this figure is given, and the given informations are angle ABC equal to 90 degree, angle DCB equal to 90 degree, and angle AMD equal to 90 degree. AB equal to 2 by 3 BM, BM equal to 5 by 6 MC, then find area of triangle DMC by area of triangle AMB. From this, AB equal to 2 by 3 BM, so AB by BM equal to 2 by 3, and BM equal to 5 by 6 MC, so BM by MC equal to 5 by 6. From our side we have done construction. NM is bisector of angle AMD. Now we came in triangle DMC and AMB to prove these two triangles are similar. The first condition is angle DCM equal to angle ABM equal to 90 degree and angle NMB equal to angle NMC. Angle NMB equal to angle NMC. Obviously that is 90 degree. And from both sides I have subtracted this angle, this one and this one. That is, this line is bisector. This line is bisector of this 90 degrees. So this much is subtracted from this angle. So this much is left. I mean angle NMB minus angle AMN. And that side angle NMC minus angle DMN. After subtraction we are getting angle AMB equal to angle DMC. This is the second condition. Therefore, triangle DMC is similar to triangle AMB. Now from these two conditions, AB by BM equal to 2 by 3, BM by MC equal to 5 by 6. So I multiplied these two. AB by BM into BM by MC equal to 2 by 3 into 5 by 6. BM cancelled. AB by MC equal to 2 by 3 into 5 by 6. 2 3 are 6, so this simplification became AB by MC equal to 5 by 9. Area of triangle DMC by area of triangle AMB, that is asked in the question. MC is the side of DMC, so MC I wrote as numerator. AB is the side of AMB, I wrote as denominator, square of this. So 9 by 5 whole square, that is equal to 81 by 25. This became the answer.